Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the AirPod and your hands. Make sure you have bright light and dry, clean fingers so you won't slip. Hold the AirPod with the stem pointing down and the silicone tip facing you. This orientation reduces strain on the mesh. Now, use your thumb and index finger to pinch the very base of the silicone where it meets the plastic, not the outer dome, because gripping the dome can tear the tip or push it inward. Once you've got a secure pinch on the silicone base, apply a steady, even pulling motion directly away from the AirPod body. You're aiming to unseat the internal lip that grips the nozzle. A quick yank can tear the silicone. If it resists, add a very slight twisting motion while maintaining outward pressure to break the seal. Make sure not to bend the nozzle or pry with nails because that can damage the earbud's mesh or the tip's mounting ring. After removal, check the nozzle and tip interior for wax or debris. Remove buildup with a dry, soft brush to ensure a proper seal. When installing a new tip, align the opening over the nozzle and press firmly until you feel or hear it snap into place. If a tip won't budge when removing, use a thin plastic pick to lift the base slightly while pulling. Do not use metal tools. If damage occurs, stop and contact support to avoid further harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.